Good morning and happy Sunday, everyone. Well, I guess y'all might have been wondering what happens when you join the challenge and you order your Foundational Wellness Bundle first time out. So, what I wanted to do, this is my video right here, where it says more right here. You go to the description and you'll see two places where you can order it. This is my name up top right here, Tiffany Davis, and that's my partner, Melissa Marsh. You can use either one of these to get your Foundational Wellness Bundle. So, I'm going to click right here, just to use mine as an example. So, it says, congratulations, you've just unlocked an exclusive 25% off on all products with the help of your friend. So that would be me or my partner, Melissa. You can choose your own wellness partner to go with. So what you want to do is scroll right here to the Foundational Wellness Bundle. Hit Shop Now. And right here, you can customize and save. So we tap that. And let me tell you what happens when you add something extra. Like I said, the order was going to be 125 PB or point value worth. And say you want to help improve something else when you do this challenge. Say you want to improve your, get some kind of pain relief or something to really help you. Sorry about that. Somebody's messaging me. Anyway, say you want to improve your well-being by taking care of any aches and pains you might have. Deep Blue polyphenol capsules are wonderful for that. I've used them myself and they're so good. Sorry again. So I'm going to hit to get one of those. And so you want to go somewhere else as well, like you want to improve your digestion or you want to get more energy. That's what this one here, the Mito2 Max here is. That's for increased energy levels and all those good things. Or for optimal digestion, I'd go with this. The Terrazyme Digestive Enzyme Complex. I love these. I take them with pretty much every meal, and it really improves my digestive system and helps it work even better. So I would get that if I was to get that. So yeah, there are a whole bunch. You can get an extra PB Restore if you want to, extra probiotics. You can get an extra E-Omega for maybe somebody's doing it with you and they want to improve their health in that sense. Yeah, they can get that as well. Or if you want to go the other way and get the probiotics in the Pixie Stick form, that's what this is. This is for your metabolic health and function, all those things. Or you can get an extra VMG, whichever you choose. It's your choice. So you hit continue down here after you've selected all you want. Circle on the screen goes round and round. And then you're going to go to your little box right here, your little bag right here where it says 6. Hit that. It shows you all your products. And I'll go into this in just a little bit. So hit review order. And since you've exceeded the amount of 150 PB when you had those extra products in there, whatever you needed, you get the choice of one of three gifts. I don't know what's going on today. I'm being summoned. My gosh. Anyway, so this is what happens when you hit 150 PB or point value. You can get the choice of getting a diffuser right here, the Pebble diffuser. I love this diffuser so much. I use it in my bedroom. It lasts a very long time when you put it on intermittent mist mode. But I can go into that in another video if you want. This is the toothpaste enrollment bundle. Both of these flavors are fantastic. You have the On Guard toothpaste and the Super Mint. So those of us who want a traditional minty flavored toothpaste, it's so good. And you have the choice of getting this, the Abode Foaming Hand Wash with a dispenser for it. Oh my gosh, so great. So you can choose any one of these. It's automatically set to the diffuser if you want to do that. We're just going to go ahead and hit continue. And see the check marks up above. You get a waived membership. It's usually $35 to join, but it's waived because you're going through me. Plus you get the free shipping and the welcome gift, which is that diffuser or whatever you want to choose. Now the real magic happens when you hit subscribe monthly, this checkbox right here. And you get even more. So you're automatically in the rewards program where you get 10% back in product points. You can use those for whatever you want. And of course you get the waived membership, as I mentioned, free shipping and the gift. And then the product of the month, which this month is tea tree. And not only that, you get a welcome booklet. And that's going to include uses for essential oils or recipes or DIYs, whatever tickles your fancy in there. They'll give you a full review of all those things. And like I mentioned, that's the free product, tea tree oil in 5 milliliter. You also get a rewards welcome gift kit. That's going to include a bunch of samples of the most ordered products in dōTERRA. Oh, they're so great. A couple of them is the MetaPower Recharge, which is good for all your electrolytes and all those things. You get a couple of oil samples. I believe it was Adaptive, which is the calming blend, and Serenity, which is the restful blend for your sleep, and a few other gifts. I think you get an extra VMG as well, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember, but yeah, that's what in the welcome gift kit. Also, since you ordered the Foundational Wellness Bundle, you get this starter gift, which includes a beautiful glass shaker bottle. I love it. And also a 5 milliliter of peppermint. And inside will be a booklet as to how the 2 minutes a day when you take it will change your life. And of course, like I mentioned, there's the Pebble Diffuser. And I really recommend this for anybody who joins. The Healing Hands Foundation is a beautiful nonprofit organization. And this month, see here, you check the box to support dōTERRA Healing Hands projects like transforming a sterile hospital ward into a healing space for Bulgarian children. There are many kids in need in Bulgaria, and they need those medical facilities set up there so they can get more in and get them whole, well, and healthy. So that's what Healing Hands does. That's just a little bit of what Healing Hands does. There's so many things they do. But I highly recommend check that box, because that $1 can make a big difference in somebody's life. I kid you not. And when you scroll down here, it shows you how much you're spending, but also how much you're saving. And what you're saving far seems to really outweigh what you're spending. So you get a bunch of wonderful things when you join this beautiful, beautiful company. Oh my gosh. So if you have any questions, please jot them down below in the comments. Or if you're watching this on Facebook, DM me, DM Melissa, and we'll get you started. And I don't know if you saw it before, but the form, the Google form, how you sign up for the challenge, it's right there. And since time is really winding down and we're going to start it next Monday, I highly suggest you get in on it. It's going to really benefit you, I promise. Okay. So hopefully I didn't go a little too long. I know y'all have stuff to do. It's the end of the weekend and we're going to get back to work, and yeah. So yeah, have any questions? Come see me. Come see my partner Melissa. Jot it down in the comments below. Or if you're on Facebook watching this, DM me right there or Melissa, and we'll get you set up. All right, y'all have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday, and we'll see y'all next time.